we are a vendor that delivers a cloud-native cybersecurity services to customers globally with a mission of providing a fast, reliable, and secure internet for everyone out there. We have more than 300 databases distributed around the world. 30 of them are in the Middle East and Turkey region. We are, for 95% of our customers, we are within 50 milliseconds of reach. So having our data centers everywhere really gives us this proximity to our customers, which enable us to deliver on that mission. Now, going to the digital transformation. This has been on the uptake for the past years and accelerated during the pandemic. So right now, almost all organizations, regardless of their segment or vertical, are using, or embracing internet services in a way or another. So regardless of what kind of connectivity those customers use, whether they are connected to the cloud, connected to SaaS, or having on-prem network, each of these connectivity, or maybe a mix of all of those different connectivities, having all of that, each of these connectivity has its own complexity and its own challenges. So having all of these connected and talking to each other adds more complexity to the decision maker while going into the digital transformation. And that's where Cloudflare comes in with its cloud native services, and with what we are announcing, or what we have announced a couple of weeks ago and introducing this week during GITEX, the Cloudflare cloud connectivity and meaningful reports to the decision maker, so that they can really eliminate any complexity, any threats out there, and reduce the cost while doing all of that. Key things that we see are stuff like compliance, for example. So especially if you are an organization working within a regulated market segment, so you need to comply with the relevant regulations and the compliancy frameworks, and it's all related to data. So how we are helping addressing that, by providing data centers within country. So when I have 30 data centers across the Middle East and Turkey region, in some markets, like for example Saudi Arabia, we are having 8 data centers in Saudi. We are having 2 data centers out here in the UAE, and so on. So these data centers delivering those services locally within that country. And on top of that, Cloudflare complying with leading data regulations such as GDPR and the majority of the data privacy laws out here in the region makes us address the compliance issue to those customers. So another challenge while moving into the embrace of the cloud is the cyber threats. And cyber threats can be related to data protection, it can be related to phishing emails, it can be related to DDoS attacks. So having all of these threats while embracing the cloud is really a big challenge, and that's where Cloudflare can really come in and help customers mitigate those challenges, whether they are coming from the inside or they are coming from the outside. So we protect DDoS attacks and sophisticated and distributed DDoS attacks before they come into prem. And we protect data, where we recently introduced our Cloudflare One data protection suite, which helps us really position in a very strong and unique manner our Zero Trust as a Service suite of product, where by embracing the cloud and going through digital transformation, you will expect employees will access resources, whether on-prem or from any location away from premises, and accessing the corporate resources. So we need to really give those employees a secure access to the resources of the organization and protect the data that is concerned in that. So these are really the two challenges that we see: compliance and data protection and cyber threats encompassing the migration into the cloud. This year at GITEX, we are introducing a lot of new technologies because GITEX coincided with our 13th anniversary, where we had our birthday week a couple of weeks back. So some of the technologies we are announcing and showcasing at our booth are our Cloudflare cloud connectivity, which really helps integrate the different types of networks and products with each other. Another product we are introducing is the Cloudflare Magic WAN connector. So this light kind of a software sits between networks regardless what they are, whether it's on-prem networks, whether it is a hybrid networks, etc. And it gives the customers control over the IP traffic so that you can have really a faster, reliable, and secure connection. Another product we are introducing is the Workers AI. It is a unified suite of products enabling developers to develop AI applications, distribute them across multiple locations and geographies, making them available for businesses at the right time. And adoption of AI is key within the digital transformation. We see a lot of verticals while going through digital transformation, adopting AI so that they can improve the efficiency of their employees, improve customer satisfaction. And for that, businesses, they need applications immediately and delivered to them in no time. And the Workers AI enables developers to do that. So this is in brief what we are introducing in Cloudflare. What differentiates Cloudflare amongst the rest of the crowd? Innovation. So as I mentioned, every year we have multiple innovation weeks where we introduce and release latest of technology. This year, as I mentioned, we are releasing the Cloudflare Cloud Connector. We are introducing the Workers AI. We are introducing the Cloudflare Magic WAN connector. We are introducing the Cloudflare One data protection suites. These are all new products that we are announcing. So innovation is really key for us. We work also very closely with startups. Last year we have introduced a venture capital fund just to support startups who embrace and use our technology. Another key differentiator is our consolidated and unified cloud-native cybersecurity product. So instead of customers deploying multiple products from multiple vendors and going through the hassle of supporting them, managing them, having resources trained on them, we consolidate that into a unified platform of cybersecurity products, and we give our customers a unified dashboard that will give them full control over their infrastructure so that it will improve manageability, it will reduce cost, and improve the level of security within their environment. So all of that sets us apart from the rest of the competition out there, plus our proximity to customers. As I mentioned at the beginning, we have 30 data centers across the Middle East and Turkey region, 300 around the world. And as businesses grow, we keep investing more and adding more data centers so that we can service our customers in an efficient, reliable, and secure manner, and help them achieve their business objectives and help them on their digital transformation journey.